To download the Windows agent for Passportal, click Clients. Click the Actions menu for the client, and select Edit Client. Select Connect to Active Directory from the Microsoft Sync drop-down. Click Settings. Select the sync behavior for the agent. One-way sync options for either AD to Passportal or Passportal to AD. The following settings are the most common to select, but are not required to download and install the Windows agent. Update service credentials on network. Auto restart updates services. Auto create users as passwords. Auto create missing Windows users. Download the Windows agent directly from the Active Directory settings window, or from the Downloads page in Passportal. Double-click the zip file. Double-click the Passportal Setup 64 executable file. Click Run. Click Next. Select the radio button to accept the terms and agreement, and click Next. Keep the default selection for secondary DCs and click Next. Leave this field blank for automatic detection and click Next. Click Install to begin the installation. Retrieve the agent install key from the Edit Client pane of Passportal. Click the copy icon and paste into the field in the Install Shield wizard. Enter the organization key and click Authenticate. Then click Continue. Create a Windows Service account by entering a new username and password. You can also use an existing account, provided it meets the IE administrator and domain admin requirements. Then click Save and Start Agent. Click Yes. The installer will cycle through a series of messages. When the confirmation message appears, close the installer window. Click Finish to close the install wizard. An icon appears in the Microsoft Sync column. Hover over the icon for information on the last sync date and time. Once the agent has installed and synced, return to the AD settings and select the folder path and org units filter to sync.